Yo people, what's good? It's your boy. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all blessed. Thank God for the day. Today is just a quick video, nothing too crazy. To be fair, I have been sitting on this, I guess, video for a while. I guess I was trying to wait for the right moment. Never came, so I guess this is the right moment. Anyway, the last video that I've done, I'm gonna link it somewhere here. That was like maintenance, whereas this is shoe cleaning products. So I got them from RESHOEVN8R. I was looking online and RESHOEVN8R, they were like one that kept on coming up. Obviously you have other ones like, what's the other one? Oh, it's this other one, I forgot, it's like red with like a black background. I forgot their name. You have Crep Protect, everyone knows that one. And like there's some other brands out there as well. So we've got the box here. As you can see, it's hella beat up. I got this, I think, when did I get this? 2000, I got it last year. Was it last year? No, I think I got it 2020. So I got it locked down 2020 and it's just been sat in my room. So it's looking all mad right now. But yeah, man, just gonna open it up and show you guys what I got. There's different shoe cleaning kits that you can get on the website. There's like really professional ones that I think they were like £80+. And then there's like more basic ones, and then you can get each like item individually as well. So I think I got like a middle priced one at the time anyway. But yeah, man, let's open it up. So as you can see, that's the box. You can see it says RESHOEVN8R there. It looks really nice. The packaging looks nice, to be fair. I don't know, man, there's something about me and packaging. I just like nicely packaged stuff that, you know, the aesthetics. Open it up. That's how it looks on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't want nothing to fall out. Oh, so what we've got here, I think these are just like instructions or something. I don't know. So this is like the cleaning towel. So I guess when you're like, you know, going through, you know, cleaning your shoes, you use this just to wipe it down. So it's like, I think it's like a microfiber cloth. Then we got some shoe trees. As you can see, they gave two. Put these inside your shoe, so like when you're scrubbing and stuff, it doesn't lose the shape. You still keep the shape, so it's pretty decent. Then you got your solution as well. I think you put like 2 squirts to like some water, and then yeah, and then I think that it foams up, something like that. I don't know, something like that. Then we got the brushes. So this is the stiff bristle brush. As you can see there, it says stiff bristle up there. So yeah, you use this, you know, just for the soles, you know, when you want to take out, you know, the real grime and dirt that's really been embedded into the soles, you use the stiff bristle. I don't think you'd use this on like the uppers, just because it is quite hard, so I think it would damage the materials. So as you can see, it's quite, yeah, mate, that is pretty tough. Then we've got the medium bristle, as you can see, and then the bristles here are in white, as you can see there as well. So you can use these on like the uppers or like the midsole. Yeah, and this one's a lot softer, yeah. And then you got the soft bristle brush as well. So more time, you could probably use this on any material. You could probably use it on suede as well, because it is quite soft, to be fair. So it's not gonna ruin the suede, but yeah, that's really soft compared to the other two. But I like that though, that they've given you 3 different kind of brushes and they put them in different colors. So obviously you know that this one's like, you know, the thick one, then you've got your medium, then you've got your soft, so it's easy to differentiate. So when you need one, you can just go straight to it. You don't really need to know which one's which, you can already know. And we've got the laundry bag as well, you know, in case you need to put your trainers in the wash. Let's say if you haven't, you know, cleaned them in a while, there's a lot of dirt, you just put your trainers in here, tie it up. I think in here is where you put like your little laundry, I think they call it a laundry pod, whatever it's called. You just put it in there, seal it up, and then, yeah. But I'm not sure if these will fit with my trainers. Let me check. Jordan 3s here, Jordan 3 denims. I'm not gonna bring them too close to the camera, they're a little bit dirty. But let's see if these will fit. And I think, sheesh, I don't think one's gonna fit, you know. Cause to be fair, I am a size 14, so yeah. I don't know if 2's gonna fit. Let's see. Oh, to be fair, it does stretch out a little bit. It does stretch out. That's not happening. It's not happening. It's not happening, but I'm sure you get the idea. Let me see if these shoe trees work as well. So I'm not sure how you do this. So you squeeze it together. What? So you squeeze it together. And I think, I'm trying to understand this. I think furthest away would imply the bigger size. I don't know, guys. I'm just gonna leave it like this for the time being. I might need to buy some bigger ones. But anyway, I think you just push it in, and I think it just, oh, there we go. Yes, you just push it in, and it just clips in. And obviously, as you're doing your cleaning, let's say with the brush, and obviously you're applying force around here, you're not gonna get any creases or any, indentations in the leather or whatever material that your shoe is. Let me see how this smells. It just smells normal. That's a bit boring. Thought they're gonna, put a little flavor, And let me see what this was though, because it might be something useful. I like how they always put like their logo on like every little piece of paper, anywhere that they can. They always like on everything. They just put their logo. I really like that. Even on like the cloth, still got the RESHOEVN8R. It just builds the aesthetic, Okay, so this is really useful, Let's say it's your first time ever cleaning shoes, you've never done it before. You can literally scan a QR code there. I'm not sure if you see it at the bottom right. You can just scan that, and I think it takes you to like some videos on how to use the box. That's really handy though, so for people that have never cleaned shoes before. So I see you, RESHOEVN8R, I see you. So yeah guys, this is the signature shoe cleaning kit. So you get 3 different kinds of brushes. Obviously you get your solution, you get 2 shoe trees, you get a cleaning cloth, and you get a laundry bag. I'll put the website in anyway, and then you guys can see if you are interested. But yeah guys, that's basically it. I told you today was going to be a short one. I do plan to do some cleaning tutorials on the channel, where obviously you guys will see these products and see if they actually, if they actually do the business or not. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment something down below as well. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel. It's gonna help me out a lot. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other future videos. And your boy is gone.